the end of this tutorial, you would be able to add comments to your code, right? What comments are? Basically comments, the idea of comment is that a developer or engineer can have some notes in the code, right? We can have pieces of code that we don't actually have execute without detecting from our file, right? This is a piece of syntax that technically you could use if you are working in a command line. It doesn't really have any benefit, but it would be the most important benefit of it will be it will add some kind of notes into your code, and that would be more readable. Most of the time you will see this is in a file. File means this particular file what we are using. For example, if I do have a piece of code, let's say in our previous code, right? So for example, here we are using the database dating app. So here I want to add some kind of notes that this command is used to make this dating app database in use. So I will be writing some statement here that is not the particular syntax of the uh, syntax or the piece of code of SQL, but this will be a plain English text, right? Using the database named as dating app. But how to distinguish to SQL file that this is a comment, this is just a plain piece of statement, right? So just we have to add two hyphens here at the beginning of this statement, right? Now for example, again here this statement is used to describe the table. So I would like to add one comment here that uh, we are describing the table describing the table named as users, right? Now how to distinguish it from other SQL statements is to add these hyphens here, two hyphens basically, but there is one shortcut. Shortcut is control and forward slash, control plus forward slash. So it will add one comment here, right? Now for example, again we are inserting into users one table the blank values. So I can add something like inserting null values into a table named as users1. So there are two ways to add comment. First one is just simply add two hyphens at the beginning of this statement, or just write the SQL syntax line, maybe like adding creating a table named as users2 with the default constant to the column name, right? This is my SQL statement. This is a statement which I wanna make comment in SQL, so I can just make my cursor available anywhere in this statement and will press control and forward slash, right? From where I have put this cursor, after that whatever syntax, whatever line is written, that will be the s- comment. But I don't want this. I want the comment to be from the beginning of this line. So I will make my cursor available at the beginning where I want to start my comment, and then press control and forward slash. This is the way to add comments, right? I can add comment here as well after any statement. Create table, maybe keywords. Once you execute this statement, right, this comment will be ignored at the time of execution. If I execute it, at the time of execution, the dating app database is in use now, but